Are you planning to buy a house but still confused between pre-selling and ready for occupancy? First, let's talk about RFO or ready for occupancy. Simple lang, tapos ng bahay, pwede ka nang makalipat once na ma-approve na ang iyong housing loan or payment. Hindi ka na maghintay ng matagal, lilipatan mo na lang. Pwede ka na rin, pwede mo na itong parentahan. Pwede mo na siyang ipa-renovate if ever na may gusto kang ipabago doon sa property na nakuha mo. Next, pre-selling, ito yung property na wala pang land development or ongoing pa lang yung land development, itatayo pa lang yung bahay na bibilhin mo. Sa pre-selling, makukuha mo yung introductory price. And flexible din yung payment terms kasi pumapayag yung developer na 2 years or more depende sa kanilang schedule ng turnover. And if you're looking for a pre-selling na hindi ka na maghihintay ng sobrang tagal, good news! Sa Centro San Pablo, pre-selling stage pa lang pero the developers target turnover this year or early 2026. Kaya kung gusto mong makalipat agad, this is your chance. As syempre, very accessible ng ating location dahil 1 hour and a half away from Manila, 5 minutes away from SM San Pablo, Terminal San Pablo, hospital, and schools. Complete turnover na rin, kaya lilipatan mo na lang, ibig sabihin meron na itong tiles, partition, ceiling, paint included na yan. So what are you waiting for? Message now and schedule a site visit today.